Breaking update coming in, and that is that the CBI has in fact made its first arrests in the NEET paper leak case. Now, these are the first two suspects who have been arrested by the CBI in this particular case, and these are two people who have in fact been produced in court as well, as per our reporters. And one of the accused allegedly handed out leaked paper. Another accused allegedly, in fact, ferried some of the aspirants to one of the centers where this leaked paper, where allegedly the leaked paper was being distributed. So these are this is the information that we're getting at the top of the bulletin right now about this significant development in the NEET irregularities case, in the alleged paper leak case. CBI has in fact made first two arrests in Patna, two suspects arrested in Patna, and they have both in fact been produced in court as well. So this is the news that we are breaking on the top of the bulletin, that CBI has in fact made the first arrests in the NEET paper leak scam, and two suspects have been produced in court. One of them was in fact allegedly handing out the leaked paper at a center, and their names are Manish Prakash and Ashutosh. So as per our reporters, one of the accused was in fact ferrying some of the students as well, some of the aspirants, and the other accused in fact had also asked some of the students to be present in their, was in fact giving shelter to some of the aspirants as well, and later on handing out the leaked paper. Let me go across to my colleague Prabhakar for more on this. Prabhakar, what are the details we have as of now as far as these two suspects are concerned, and what role they had to play?
We are getting confirmation from our CBI sources that Manish Prakash, who was one of the main accused and one of the part of the key conspirators gang, he has been arrested by CBI. And technically speaking, this is the first arrest in this case, in the NEET paper leak scam case, by CBI itself. Remember, altogether 17 persons are under arrest so far, but they were all arrested earlier by Economic Offence Wing of Bihar Police. So here is a case when CBI actually 2 days back started the investigation into it, and now they have arrested Manish Prakash. Manish Prakash's role in this entire chain of events is very crucial. Manish Prakash is the guy who is accused of arranging a shelter for the students, around 25 of them, who were given the leaked question paper, and they were given a place where they could actually stay there for 24 hours and mug up the answer sheets. So that particular place, abandoned school on the outskirts of Patna, that place was allegedly arranged by Manish Prakash. So he is accused of being part of the gang. He is accused of arranging that place, that shelter for the accused, for those students who were given the leaked question paper. He was called for interrogation by CBI. Yesterday afternoon, he was called to the CBI office, and today he has been taken under custody. So he's the first arrest which CBI has made by themselves.
Right. So this is very significant, Prabhakar, as you're saying that 17 people are already arrested. That is, of course, being done. The case was being handled by Bihar police earlier, and they were looking at the role of a solver gang being involved in this NEET paper leak case. So although these are early days in the investigation, but any sort of connection coming through between those 17 accused and these suspects who have been picked up now?
It's the same case. It's not a solver gang. It's a solver gang is a history now. It's a case of a NEET paper leak scam. Those 17 people who have been taken under custody, who were arrested, is part of the same NEET paper leak scam, and the 18th arrest has been done by the CBI. So altogether, you can add 1 to the 17 number, and it becomes the 18th arrest. Now, Manish Prakash's arrest has been done by CBI. The earlier arrest was done by Economic Offence Wing, because till day before yesterday, it was Economic Offence Wing of Bihar Police which was investigating this case. Now it has been technically handed over to CBI, so the further arrest will certainly be made by CBI, not by Economic Offence Wing. And as far as the solver gang thing is concerned, that's a thing of past now. Now both the agencies are investigating into alleged NEET paper leak scam.
Right. Prabhakar, stay with us as we are also discussing that this is both the accused. In fact, there are two arrests which CBI has in fact made, and both the accused have in fact been produced in court. this comes in at a time when the CBI has just in fact taken over the investigation from the Bihar police just a few days ago. Remember, there are other states also where the CBI is looking at cases of irregularities as far as the NEET exam is concerned. Prabhakar, take us through some of the details which have come in so far as the nexus is concerned. Bihar police has submitted a report to the center, to the HRD, to Dharmendra Pradhan's team, in fact, and they are also, of course, looking into that to the Education Ministry. They have sent a status and action taken report. And that investigation now is in fact being taken over by the CBI. But as far as the nexus is concerned, across states, what picture has emerged so far, if you can tell our viewers about that?
See, this initially started, this NEET paper leak scam started in 3 states, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan and Bihar. And the respective police started investigating into it. The Gujarat police gave a clean sheet saying that it's a Solver gang case and there is no leak involved in it. Rajasthan police also kind of gave a clean sheet to the people who were arrested, saying that there was no leak involved in it. But the Bihar police actually expedited its investigation, went deeper into it, and later found out that the paper leak had happened. And now what we are seeing is that it is actually happening in Latur as well. It is surfacing in Maharashtra as well. So it is getting bigger and bigger. Now that a central agency is involved, it will see the entire 360-degree view. It will investigate, it will do a 360-degree investigation and find out as to who all were involved and whether it has a pan-India presence, whether this gang has a pan-India presence, whether the paper leak happened and it was distributed across the country. But as of now, because the Economic Offence Wing of Bihar Police was investigating into it, they had focused their investigation on the 2 states, that is Bihar and Jharkhand. But now that CBI is handling it, they would certainly have a pan-India view.
Right. Stay with us, Prabhakar. I'm also joined by my colleague Mukesh, who's tracking the developments here as well. Mukesh, अभी तक की जानकारी में जो सामने आया है, ये 2 सस्पेक्ट्स जो है जिसको सीबीआई ने अरेस्ट किया है, उनके बारे में सीबीआई क्या कह रही है? अभी तक क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन सामने आई है?
देखिए, जो नीट का मामला है उसमें सीबीआई जो जांच कर रही है उसने बिहार से पहली गिरफ्तारियां की हैं, यानी कि जो सीबीआई ने पहली अरेस्टिंग की है जिसमें 2 लोग अरेस्ट हुए हैं। एक मनीष प्रकाश है और दूसरा आशुतोष है। जो मनीष प्रकाश है वो जो कैंडिडेट थे नीट एग्जाम वाले, उनको अपनी गाड़ी से लाने और ले जाने का काम करता था, जबकि जो आशुतोष था, आशुतोष के ठिकानों पर उसके घर पर जो कैंडिडेट हैं वो रुके थे। तो इन दोनों को सीबीआई ने अरेस्ट किया है। उनको अरेस्ट करने के बाद कोर्ट में भी पेश किया है और कोर्ट से सीबीआई ने रिमांड मांगी है। तो सीबीआई ने नीट मामले में अपनी जांच के दौरान ये पहली अरेस्टिंग की है। इसके पहले जो एक्यूज अरेस्ट हुए हैं वो बिहार पुलिस ने किए थे या गुजरात पुलिस ने किए थे। लेकिन निश्चित तौर पर जो सीबीआई है वो बिहार के अलावा जो बाकी स्टेट्स हैं वहां पर भी अपने जांच को आगे बढ़ा रही है। आज सीबीआई की टीम गुजरात में भी है और वहां पर जो पंचमहल इलाका है वहां पर 2 स्कूलों में सीबीआई की रेड हुई है। इसके अलावा बाकी स्टेट्स में भी सीबीआई अपनी जांच को आगे बढ़ा रही है। तो नीट एग्जाम को लेकर जो गड़बड़ियां हुई हैं, चाहे वो पेपर लीक हो या फिर सॉल्वर बिठाने का मामला हो, उसको लेकर जो सीबीआई है वो पैन इंडिया जांच कर रही है और उसमें अभी बहुत कुछ निकलकर आगे सामने आने वाला है।
एक आखिरी सवाल, ऐसा कोई कनेक्शन या लिंक अभी तक सामने आ रहा है सीबीआई के पास कि ये जो डिफरेंट गैंग्स हैं जो हर स्टेट में, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं, इनमें कोई कनेक्शन है? ऐसा कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन सीबीआई के पास अभी तक है?
देखिए, अभी सीबीआई इस केस की जांच कर रही है और ये जांच जरूर की जाएगी कि जो अलग अलग स्टेट्स में लोग पकड़े जा रहे हैं क्या वो आपस में कनेक्टेड थे, क्या वो एक दूसरे को जानते हैं। लेकिन एज ऑफ नाउ अभी तक के हिसाब से जो बिहार का सिंडिकेट है, जो बिहार का मॉड्यूल है वो अलग है, जो गुजरात का है वो अलग है, जो महाराष्ट्र का है वो अलग है। लेकिन सीबीआई निश्चित तौर पर की जांच कर रही है कि क्या ये आपस में कनेक्टेड थे या इसके पीछे कोई ऐसा आदमी है जो इन सबको जानता होगा और उसके कहने पर उसके जरिए सब ये किया गया होगा। तो इसको लेकर भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है, उसके बाद ये साफ होगा। लेकिन निश्चित तौर पर जो सीबीआई है वो पैन इंडिया जो अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उसको बढ़ा रही है और सीबीआई का कहना ये है कि इसमें जो लार्जर कॉन्स्पिरेसी है उसकी वो जांच कर रही है, एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन्वेस्टिगेशन वो कर रही है। तो बाकी जो स्टेट है जहां जहां मामले सामने आ रहे हैं या सीबीआई अपनी तरफ से जांच कर रही है, उसमें जहां जहां पर भी ये सामने आ गई, वहां पर ये पेपर लीक हुआ या गड़बड़ी हुई, वहां उन सब जगहों को जांच में शामिल किया जाएगा।
Mukesh Singh there and Prabhakar Kumar, thank you so much for joining us with that breaking update that we are following on the top of the bulletin, and that is the first 2 arrests being made by CBI in the NEET paper leak case.